Hello, good morning. Welcome to Smart Tech. My name is Kaijo. That's Keijaoh. I'm the founder of Smart Tech, and I'm here to announce a few changes to Smart Tech. But first, let me apologize for the lack of videos over the last few years. So there are two main changes that are coming to Smart Tech. First of all, Smart Tech's name will be changed to Kaijo Tutorials. Hi, I'm Kaijo. So with the name change comes a new focus for the channel. Kaijo Tutorials will be focused primarily around programming. It will be focused around mobile, web, and data science related topics and other specialized topics as well. So there will be no more unbox videos, product reviews, or gameplay on this channel. There will be at least 2 videos per week. So on Mondays we'll have a product development or app development tutorial series. So that means that starting next Monday, there'll be a video, a continuation, a revamp of the simple inventory system. So every Monday I'll release a new episode around that. It will be around 5 to 10 minute videos, so it'll be shorter videos instead of that long format video each week, as well as notes that will be found on kaijo.com. So that's KEIJAOH.com each week. Also on Fridays, there'll be specialized topics from programming languages, say for example Swift or Java or Kotlin or C# or so on, that will also be released. Those will be short format as well. And those notes will also be found at kaijo.com. There will be other videos at specific time that will be sprinkled throughout the week. I don't have a definitive time when those will be, but periodically there will be a new video that is released sometime during the week as well. But on Mondays and Fridays will be the primary times that you will see those videos. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your time. Keep safe out there. Please subscribe. Please like the video. Please hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when new videos are released. Thank you and see you in the next video.